guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Birch. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video we're gonna take a look at how to make different letter picture images. Like before, you need to use the masking tool in the Zazzle designer dashboard, but now you don't need to use the masking tool, because with the Zazzle element section you can take any shape of the element and you can put the picture inside, and it's very simple, very easy to create a template picture based products on Zazzle using this feature. It's a new feature and it's definitely tutorials. It's gonna worth the shot. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification for more such videos. I have courses, masterclasses, guys, waiting for you right now. The links are in description. If you want more tutorials, I have an entire Zazzle beginner tutorial. It's actually a beginner. I put the name beginner, but it's actually beginner to intermediate, and I keep on updating them. So worth the shot. I also have the master classes to help you guys, and explaining so much in detail. If you want more tutorials on how to use the designer dashboard, all the links are in description. Check it out. Let's dive into my laptop. So here we are. Now this is the product that I picked for the sake of this video, is the snow globe. Definitely when you click over to any specific product, you click over to add design or edit design based on if you have the design on that product, then it would be edit design. If you don't have the design on that product, it would be add design. So this is your section gonna look like. Now this is actually a snow globe. So we're gonna go over to the section that I want to talk about, is the elements. Now in the element section, before you only have these shapes and that's all. But now the Zazzle give you so much different options, and these are copyright free, so you definitely can use in your designs. So these are the graphics, these are the texts, and these are the templates, guys. You can create your own stuff. Then the borders and the lines, then the different shapes are there, frames are there. So when I would talk about the frames, this is the section that you can use to create any kind of template based photo products on Zazzle without even the need to use the masking tools. So there are so many different shapes are there. You can pick up any kind of shape that you want the picture to. For example, if I pick up this one, okay, and you can see the eye icon. What is this eye icon means? Eye icon means it's a royalty free. That means you can use this frame and you can create your designs, and this is a free public domain element provided to you by Zazzle. Use of this royalty free element in a published product will not affect your royalty, so definitely worth a shot. So I'm going to add this to my design, and so this is gonna look like this, something like this, okay, and I can scroll it and adjust its size and shape based on what I like, and then click over to the option add image. Now I'm gonna take this image. You can take any image and simply add the image. Boom. And if I click over to the done option, and here we are, at the back I put this one. So you see very easy to put the image in any shape, very easy. If I go back to the edit design, and now I can just delete it. So I'm gonna click over to the option clear and okay, and again, because it's frame actually, and okay, and then I go back and I can use any other shape frame, any other size frame, so many different. So you have brushstroke, device, flower, graffiti, letters, numbers, paper, photos, silhouette, symbol, grid. So you have different types of the frames here. For example, if I want to use a letter frame, let's take a look at this one. Let's take a letter 8. So here we have the letter 8. You can increase and decrease the size, and then I'm going to click over to the option add image, and I'm just going to add this cat image and click over to the done, and here you see the cat cat in the shape of the 8. Very simple, very easy, and literally this is at the back of the snow globe. If I go to the front and then go again back to the element section and scroll down, and here we are with the frames, and I can pick up any frame, any size, any shape, whatever I like. I can pick up letters. For example, we have the letters here. So if you want to go with any specific letter, like you might have seen the letter O, people using the letter O several times. So you have the letters. I can go back as well. I can check the banners and ribbon. And you have the blobs here. So many different shapes of the blobs. Then you have the brush strokes. You can even use the florals. Now the florals come with this specific like if I click over here, it comes with a specific florals, and that makes it even more unique. And I can click over to the add design and add the design, and look how beautiful it's looking here. How beautiful it's looking here. And without the masking tools, you can pick up any frame here, any size and shape, and you can create anything. You can take the O letter from here if you want this kind of O letter. Here we are, guys. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you find this small simple tutorial useful, how to create different shapes of photo template products without the use of the option masking. Very simple, very easy. You can use the frames provided in the element section in the Zazzle designer dashboard. It's royalty free, so definitely worth a shot. Check it out. Okay, and if any update come in the future, I'm gonna make an updated video, but at the time of filming this video, this is it going, so you can use it. Let me know if it's helpful. If you have any video questions, suggestions, also let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.